Hello guys, this is Farizana and you're welcome to my channel. For today's recipe, we are going to make this amazing brown spaghetti rice. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. I post 2 or more videos every week. Thank you. With my heat under medium heat, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And when it gets hot, I'll add my spaghetti to it and fry it till it turns brown. Make sure to stir it continuously until it turns brown in color. I have already added water to it, so now I'll add salt and black pepper. Stir till everything is combined. Cover and cook on a low heat. It gets to a point where you see no water. Remove your lid and stir the rice out. Still on low heat, cover the rice and cook till the rice is cooked completely. And the rice is cooked completely. I have my brown spaghetti rice served with rolled eggs and gravy. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Bye.